A man took off his pants and was getting ready to relieve himself in the forest. Just then, a small wild cat suddenly appeared and started circling around his feet. The man noticed that the cat was really cute, so he picked it up and placed it in his lap. While he was playing with it, he suddenly noticed a female lion staring at him from a short distance. The man got so scared, he peed in his pants right then and there. That's when he realized it wasn't just a wild cat, it was actually a lost lion cub. He quickly stood up and tried to signal that he didn't mean any harm to the cub, but the lioness thought he was trying to hurt her baby. As soon as the man let go of the cub, the lioness charged at him. Terrified, the man started running down the hill, screaming for help. His cries caught the attention of his companions nearby. When he reached the middle of the hill, he noticed that the lioness had vanished. He was just about to stop and catch his breath when suddenly the lioness leapt out and attacked him. They both tumbled down the hill at high speed, rolling and crashing until they landed far away. As the lioness got back up to attack again, the man quickly pulled out a tranquilizer injection. Just as the lioness lunged at him, he jabbed her with the shot. The tranquilizer took effect immediately. The lioness passed out and the man was finally safe.